Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Jenny Parenti and today we are making another one of my favorite vinaigrettes. This is gonna be a lemon basil vinaigrette, and what I really love about it is how simple it is to make this dressing. So one of our main ingredients is our infused grapeseed oil. What I also love about this is that I made this a month ago and it is still fresh in the container for me. Then what we are also going to be using is 2/3 cup of white wine, or you can use a red wine vinaigrette, whichever one you prefer. Today we're gonna do the white. You also have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 3 tablespoons of basil. So we're using a fresh basil that you can go ahead and throw in your machine without having to cut it or take any of the stems off. The machine is ready to blend for you. And then we are also going to be doing 2 teaspoons of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and open up our machine. We're gonna add this all together. So we are using our container that I told you how much I loved prior to this. It is already going to measure it out for you. So I'm going to look on there, do my 1 cup. Perfect. Close that right up and look. This is already done, put away, right? No mess, no cleanup. We're gonna go ahead and use our white wine. Pour that right in our easy measuring cups. Lemon juice. And then like I mentioned, guys, we are going to go ahead and put that fresh basil right in there. No need to cut it up, just put it right in. We got 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 of these. Basil is one of my favorite herbs. And then we are gonna go in for our pepper and our salt. So pepper right in. Go ahead in there for our salt and do a 1/2. So what I love about this, and I've said it before, is how simple it is. We need all things to be simple. Oh, I cannot forget my lemon zest. Right in there, that's one of my favorites. So simple and easy. My whole goal is to inspire you guys to be comfortable in the kitchen, to not worry about all these crazy ingredients, to just make it fresh and easy. So in our machine, closed right there, and then we just press our blend button. All right guys, so we're gonna put this in here. We are gonna move everything out of the way so that we have a nice clean space. And we are gonna go ahead and pour this on top of our salad. So look how beautiful this salad is. It is 4 simple ingredients. It is spinach, walnuts, pomegranates, and my favorite, we have sweet potatoes. So we made these sweet potatoes prior. We roasted them with a little bit of the oil already on top to make it crisp and then add that extra flavor. So simple, but also putting in the effort, because healthy does not have to be miserable and it doesn't have to be tasteless. So we're gonna put that right on top. Simple, easy, delicious, and most important, guys, it is good for the insides. I'm gonna put it all on top. Beautiful. Do a little taste test. So good. The sweet potatoes taste nice and roasted. Good flavor, simple and easy. If you are looking for more recipes like this, guys, go ahead and head over to MagicalButter.com. They are all listed for you. You have your ingredients, you have your how-tos, and then you will be able to go ahead and bring Magical Butter right into your home. Hope you guys have a good day.